Know your place, cadet!
You picked the wrong one.
You think you can touch—
Try me! You don't touch me!
You're gonna pay for that!
Get up then!
Get off me!
Then stop fighting!
Get off me! Get off me! You think you can embarrass me?
You started this!
Stay down!
Make me!
Right now! Sir, she attacked me. She lost control. He shoved me to the floor and started all of this.
He shoved me to the start of all of this!
One at a time. Sir, that's not true. He hit her first. Shut your mouth! Sir, someone recorded the whole thing. Enough! You first. Sir, she came at me. Then why are they saying you shoved her? She got in my way. Your turn.
He bumped me, shoved me down, and swung first.
So you shoved her.
Sir, I recorded everything.
Let me see it.
Sir, that's out of context. Stand down right now!
You lied to me. You wanna fight? Fight me! You bully the weak, not me. All that mouth, and this is all you got. You're finished. You're making this worse. Hands behind your back. Now! You're done.
Proceed.
He assaulted her in the cafeteria, resisted orders, and attacked a superior officer.
He shoved me down, insulted me, and then attacked me when I defended myself.
The evidence is clear.
You stood your ground. You showed discipline, courage, and restraint. You did your duty. Be proud of that.
Yes, sir.
Eyes front! Good beats your pimp! Sound off as I call your name.
Mercy James. Please,